In this video, we're going to look at the subject of evolution and life. Well, first of all, most of us would agree that life is indefinable. The more scientists know, the more that they know that they do not know. Scientists are clueless on how life, that is according to the theory of evolution, could have begun. Numerous evolutionists admit this fact. Now, some refuse to admit it, but are unable to give any kind of scientific explanation as to how life began. But there is another problem. Mathematically, it is impossible that the right chemicals could ever just come together in the correct order, even in billions of years. And the universe has existed for only approximately 18 billion years according to evolutionists. And we'll look at this subject more in a later video. Now, even if all of the chemicals could accidentally arrange themselves in the right order, there is no reason to believe that the mysterious ingredient of life would be able to be added to these chemicals. Evolutionists must believe that life would begin if the chemicals were in the correct order. Now, a living cell that just died still has all of the correct chemicals that it had when it lived. Chemicals does not imply that life will also be present. Evolutionists have not been able to clear that hurdle. So, does life begin just because the chemical order is correct? Well, there's no scientific reason to believe that this would be the case. In other words, it is not anything that anybody has ever observed. Well, scientists still are not even close to forming life from inorganic material, that is, chemicals, materials, rocks, or anything like that, that have never been part of living matter in the past. If some of the most intelligent scientists on Earth cannot form life, why would scientists begin to believe it could occur accidentally? Life is the greatest mystery on Earth. Life only comes from life. This is a scientific law. No exception has ever been found, and it is called the Law of Biogenesis. Now, scientists can speculate that things happen a certain way, such as life beginning accidentally, but this kind of speculation has nothing to do with real science. Until scientists can show that life can come about by accidental arrangement of chemicals, the theory of evolution remains speculation, but not science. So the following problems have never been solved by evolutionists. Number one, 18 billion years is less than 1/1,000,000th of the time needed for there to even be a chance that chemicals could arrange correctly for life to form. In other words, it is mathematically impossible. Number two is, according to the law of biogenesis, life comes only from life. And number three, the proper order of the chemicals, that is, if that could have occurred accidentally, would not bring about the most important ingredient of all, life itself. Until all of these three problems are solved, evolution could never have brought about life. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.